Take this opportunity to tell you something about embedded system and the courses we are offering here at the SETPA Noida Center. And as you know, if you need to know the one technology which is growing by day and night, it is none other than the embedded system. And as I find that this is the technology which is at the stage where the software industry was about 15 years ago. So now there are so many domains, and here at SETPA we are covering each and every domain in depth, as well as it is suitable for every beginners as well as the professional. As you can find, we are offering basic as well as embedded systems training programs. In the basic system, we are covering 8051 microcontrollers in depth, as in assembly as well as in C. And towards advanced embedded system, that is the next version of embedded system, basic embedded system you can say, we are providing training on PIC microcontrollers as well as AVR. But things do not stop here. We are also covering the latest happenings in embedded system by providing training on Linux and ARM controllers as well. As you can find, we are in touch with lot many industries also, and we are also working as a consultant for the companies, and we have provided corporate trainings at Centel India, you can see, and ST Microelectronics, and we are in touch with many other companies where we are being appointed as a technical consultant and corporate trainer. So here my wishes, here are my best wishes to all of you, and wish you great success and career in embedded system. And just it's my invitation that at least you visit once a time at our Noida Center or any other center, and you can find the difference yourself. Thanks.